Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. Welcome if you are new. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed the video. So today we'll be installing this wig from Luvme Hair. So I know I have a wig from them. It's a balayage. You guys seen the long hairstyle, and then I cut it short. So they actually sent me one that's short. And I feel like in this one, the highlights are like more blonde. But yeah. So we'll be installing this. Let me see. I will give you like the name and show you what the picture looks like. This is what the picture looks like on the site. Once you go to it to order it, I'll make sure I leave the link below. Okay, so this is a 12-inch. So this is what their 12-inch sleek highlights glueless closure bob wig looks like. The link will be down below. You can also use my coupon code. That'll be in the description as well. But it's Brooke for a percentage off. But stay tuned to see the results of this. Hey everyone, today we're doing a glueless install with Luvme wig. I already put her hair into a ponytail, and since her hair is on the thinner side, I don't have to braid it down. But here's the wig. I already have it prepped, plucked it. I use a hot comb to push the hair back, and I started straightening the back. So first we're going to start off with my Ruby Kisses foundation, and I'm going to put it on a cap and inside her lace, but I'm going to use the two shades to find her makeup shade. So first I put the Ruby Kisses level 9 on her skin, and since that was too light, I went up with the next shade that I have, which is level 12, and I used the lightest one, and that was her shade. So that's the one that I'm gonna put on the cap and inside the wig. So now that I put her makeup shade, which is Ruby Kisses level 12, the lightest shade, I put it inside the wig and on the cap. I'm going to take my Got To Be Free spray to spray inside on the lace so the makeup could stay and it doesn't transfer onto her skin. So now that I have the hair straight, I'm going to take my spritz and my elastic band to spray it along the hairline and tie it down for the glueless install. So before spraying it down, I made sure I positioned it where I wanted it. And before doing that, I cut the lace off because it's easier for me to get it that way than leaving the lace on, spraying it down, and cutting it. So now we're just going to go through, make sure everything's straight, and then we'll begin cutting. So I'm going to use the makeup shade that I put on her wig and the cap, and I'm going to go along the part. sideways so there don't be no straggly pieces standing up. So now I'm going to take my rubbing alcohol to remove any of the hairspray from the skin. I'm now wrapping up my video. Thank you for watching my video on the sleek highlights glueless closure bob wig 12 inches from Luvme Hair. Make sure you use my code BROOK BROOK to receive a percentage off your purchase when checking out. This is the final results. After installing it, I just cut it even all around. And this is a glueless unit, so I just use hairspray instead of the glue to lay everything down. Thank you for thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Queen B Slade. I'll leave it down below, and my Facebook is Brooklyn Robinson. Thank you.